My name's Joe, I'm the head chef at the Salt Yard restaurant, and today I'm going to be doing chorizo picante with citrus yogurt, baby gem and fresh English peas. Firstly, I'm going to start quarter the baby gem, and we're going to take off the end, remove the outer leaves. Like I said, we're going to cut it into quarters, making sure that the stem in the bottom is still there. That holds it all together while we cook it. Next, we're going to do the citrus yogurt. This is involving high fat content Greek yogurt, orange, lemon, lime, zest and juice. You don't need a whole lime zest for each, or lemon zest. Then we use the piece of the fruit, take some juice, squeeze it in. Piece of lemon and a piece of lime. And lastly, season with a bit of salt and pepper. Give it a mix. And lastly, you need to split the chorizo lengthways. This is chorizo picante, which means it's quite hot and spicy, but it's also a cooking chorizo, which means it's quite meaty and it's got a really lovely texture. Okay, so the final step here is to actually cook the chorizo and the baby gem. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook it on a griddle pan, heat it up on a high heat until it's smoking, and then we're going to char grill the chorizo for about 3 or 4 minutes on each side until it's nice and golden brown. And then once you flip it over the first time, then we're going to add the baby gem and cook the baby gem in the chorizo oil. So I'm going to add the chorizo in now. The chorizo are about ready now. Should be nicely bar marked on the outside. And at this stage now, this is when we're going to add the baby gem lettuce. And that is going to nicely cook in the chorizo oil, so we don't need to add any oil to it. And again, we just want to cook these on quite an intense heat to finish off the cooking process. Once we get to this stage, we're ready to plate up. We're going to start off first with the citrus yogurt in the center of the plate and use the back of the spoon to spread. And then on top of that, I'm going to add my peas that I previously blanched in boiling water and refreshed in iced water. We're going to serve them cold. Then our grilled baby gem that we've grilled in the chorizo oil in the same pan. And the star of the show, the grilled chorizo. And then just to finish off, I've got some fennel tops. And some extra virgin olive oil. There it is, grilled chorizo, baby gem, peas and citrus yogurt.